Aloha mai kākou, Aaron Mahi here again for another Nahua ʻōlelo o Ka Malama. Again, the month of March, or Nana to the lunar calendar. Nā mea hoʻōlelo o Ka Maoliʻola Hawaii, our Hawaiian values expressed by Partners in Development Foundation. The word aloha and the acronym of which is explained by Auntie Pelahi Paki, O, which is representative of ʻOluʻolu, meaning agreeable, gentle, to be expressed with pleasantness. Our sentence is Maikaʻi loa ka makani ʻOluʻolu ke pā mai nei I ka ʻāina aloha. Fine are the comforting winds that blow and waft over the beloved land. Hope you enjoyed this week's word from us in Partners in Development Foundation. Iola I ka ʻōlelo Hawaii. Aloha.